Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for a new diffuser and something that will absolutely look stunning in any room, check out this gorgeous one from MAXWINER. This gorgeous diffuser is not only beautiful but runs beautifully as well. It has this gorgeous globe on the outside. You can see that it has different colors, they're iridescent, they're a marbled look. But then once you put the light on, you can see that it absolutely becomes even more stunning. The generous holder inside is easy to use. You just add your water and your favorite scents. And once you have it going, it has different functions on the front so that you can set up your run times. I really like that even if you don't set it at a certain time, once it's waterless, it will automatically shut off. This machine is so beautiful. It's an absolutely stunning diffuser, but I also find that it works really well. I use it in my bathroom, which is a smaller room, and then tested it out in my living room area where I am now. And either way, it runs beautifully and you can really smell that beautiful fresh scent that you put in your diffusing oils. It's just so beautiful. That beautiful glass globe that looks like a teardrop. It just makes for a beautiful setting while you're diffusing your favorite scent. Add in a little touch of glam and luxury to your space with this beautiful diffuser. But that's just my point of view.